Hey guys, Trina here, back with another quick acrylic pour tutorial today. This one's going to be super fast. I was just playing around with this flip cup method and I'm loving the shapes and how they are merging and becoming completely abstract. I did add dish soap to these pours, so you can see I got a lot more cells and a lot more movement out of it. So really honestly, this is just a quick what I did today video, nothing special. This one I did earlier and I hated it, so I scraped it off, which I do sometimes, and I started over, which is totally okay. I really like how the colors, I layered them in this one and they came out pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I did today, and I hope that you like them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.